it's an undescribable feeling I have right now to win my first time here in Andorra, the Grand Villa total fight. So it means a lot for me, and I'm really happy. I mean, it's a perfect day today. Snow conditions were awesome, and all the guys killed it too. So it was not an easy contest. Billy was there, almost landed the triple cork. I know a lot of other guys could have done the triple cork as well. So I had a lot of pressure to land it, and well, I did on first round, so I'm really happy.